Hi, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how the placement of the delay modifier affects the iteration of an animation in SwiftUI. So let's get started. To delay an animation, you can place a delay before and after repeat count, which is the number of iterations you want the animation to go. First, let's place the delay after repeat count. I'm going to delay this animation by 2 seconds. At the start of this animation, the animation is going to delay for 2 seconds and then continue to run until the end of the iteration. Let's preview again. You can see it delays for 2 seconds before it starts. And once the animation starts, it just runs until the end of the iteration. Let's say we want this animation to run for 2 seconds. By then, we want this animation to delay between each iteration until the total iteration, which has repeat count of 50. In that case, we place the delay before repeat count, which is the number of iterations we want this animation to undergo. I'm going to add delay over here and write 2 seconds. And let's take a look at how the animation runs. You can see we have a delay of 2 seconds, and between each iteration it's going to delay again. And with this, I'll end here. So this is how the placement of the delay modifier affects the iteration of your animation. Thanks for watching.